Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Unpacking with Mishak. So today I just want to quickly talk about Hugo Bross, Bafana and Kaizer Chiefs. So I can see that a lot of Kaizer Chiefs fans are angry at the fact that there is no single player from Kaizer Chiefs to that AFCON squad for Bafana. So as a Kosi fan myself, I'm not angry at the fact that there is no player, or rather there is no Kaizer Chiefs player in that Bafana squad, simply because there is no one who can replace any player there by Bafana from Kaizer Chiefs. Because when you check, I believe Hugo Bross picked the quality team. So who are you going to replace there by Bafana squad with Kaizer Chiefs player? Because there is no one at Kaizer Chiefs who's performing better than those players that are picked by Hugo Bross. So I believe, rightfully so, uh, even though a lot of people are complaining, but Hugo Bross knows what he's doing. And if perhaps it was not winning, that's when we're going to criticize him based on that. But his strategy is winning. The players that he is choosing are winning him games. We've qualified for the World Cup after such a long time of us not participating in the FIFA World Cup. Now we are the regulars at AFCON because of Hugo Bross. So who are we to judge the selection of Hugo Bross? I think now we should be at a stage where we trust the process, because Hugo Bross has proven to us that like whichever player he picks is going to perform at the highest level at Bafana. So we shouldn't be in a level where we are still questioning the selection that are made by Hugo Bross, even though he's giving us results. I believe we are unfair, because I can see now, even now, a lot of Sundowns fans are complaining that now it's only few players that are invited by Hugo Bross, or rather selected to go and represent Bafana at AFCON. I feel like, as you can see, if you can see that Sundowns is not performing this season. That's why a lot of players comes from Orlando Pirates, because Orlando Pirates have already won the MTN 8. They are now on the verge of winning Carling Cup. Now, even on the league, they are performing well. It is only in the Champions League where they like they exited early, but other competitions they are doing fairly well. So it is justified why a lot of Bafana players are coming from Orlando Pirates, not Sundowns. And like, guys, leave Hugo Bross alone, because he's proven to us that he's a coach that can like that can grind results at any given time. So please leave Hugo Bross alone. Thank you.